Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very, very excited about this video. I just discovered a new IDE. I've never touched it, used it before, but just have seen it with other creators, and I am excited to try it for the first time. I've been trying a ton of different IDEs like Bolt, like Cursor, Lovable, Replit, etc., etc., etc. But this one in particular seems very mobile first. It's designed really well, from what I've seen, to help people create native apps for iPhone, for Android, and launch them. So I've never used it. It's going to be my first prompt. I just created an account. I have no affiliation with this company at all. I don't know anything about it except that it's mobile first. So let's get into it. Let's make an app. Let's make something cool. I have an idea. I made a prompt already that I'm going to paste in there. And typically I'll spend a lot more time on my initial prompt, but I'm just trying to test this right now to see how well it works. So here's my prompt. I want to build an educational app video game. This video game will be a spaceship that's moving forward towards the top of the app. It's flying through space, dodging bad guys, shooting bad guys, and there's a different power-up you can get to get stronger or get bigger guns, more points. Every time you pick up a power-up, it'll be a cool glowing thing that will pop up and ask me a question. I have to answer that question right. It will be multiple choice questions, and 1 out of 4 will be correct. It'll ask me questions that will be for a basic vibe coder to learn fundamentals of vibe coding. So it's kind of like an educational video game I'm trying to create here. I just came up with it. And it'll ask me questions like, what's a syntax error? What's an API? What's a front end? Basic stuff that a vibe coder should know. So let's see if it can do it. And then, yeah, that's essentially what I wanted to create, like a video game educational app. I have no idea if it will be able to do it, but let's find out. I'm going to paste the prompt in here right now. And before I hit enter, I want to point out a few things. The reason why I want to try this as well, they already have GPT-5, and apparently this is one of the best coding models. So just came out, excited to see what GPT-5 can do. It looks like with RORK, you have to do it publicly. And if you want to do private, it's going to ask you to pay. So I'm not going to pay right now, but still not a bad price, 20 bucks for 100 messages. You can integrate GitHub, that kind of thing. So I might do it later, but right now we'll do it public. You can add photos. It doesn't look like you can import repositories from GitHub, which is kind of a bummer, but let's just see what happens. Full send. Cool. All right. It's starting to generate the app. I like how it has an iPhone here. You can tell it's very mobile friendly. It's app forward, app first. Versus some other IDEs I've used that are kind of a mix of all of them. Let's take a look up here. So it's live. There's some integrations, backend. Okay. I guess that's connecting a database. I'm assuming like Supabase. You can connect GitHub. You can connect environment and variables like APIs. It looks like it's easy to access and edit that. I like that. You can download your code. I like that you can download your code. All right, and then look, Apple, Android, mobile, or web-based. Interesting. Okay, you can see what it looks like on all of them. Right now, it's spitting out some code. Looks like. Okay, it's creating the layout. Cool. So it took everything in. Preview's not quite ready yet. All right, I'm excited to see what this comes up with. This is one prompt, and it's already doing a lot. So we'll give it some time, and when it's done, I will show you what the preview looks like. All right, looks like we are done. It took a little while, maybe like 2 to 3 minutes, which makes sense. It's creating a whole video game, but this looks interesting. It's floating, kind of like arcade-like. It says start mission. Looks like I can test it right here. If I switch to Android, let's see if it shows it. Okay, it loads it up on Android. Interesting. Okay, it's pulling in like a test mode. It switched everything to Android there. Interesting. Okay. Okay, then it just loads it on Android, so I can test it there as well. Very cool. Okay. Let me go back to Apple. Let's see if it has to load up again. All right, it's already loaded. How to play, drag your ship and dodge enemies, collect glowing power-ups, answer coding questions correctly, learn and survive. So I wonder what the controls are. I don't know. Let's start the mission. Oh, it's just shooting like crazy. It's like I don't know how to move it. Oh. Okay. There we go. It's just like constantly shooting. All right. Well, I think I'm killing bad guys. Do I kill this? Is this a power up or do I kill it? Where's my power ups? I want to see if I get a power up if it asks me a question. No. Okay. Come on. I got it. It just constantly is shooting. All right. I'm still on level 1. I'm getting points. Let's see what happens. All right. Okay. Here's a power up. Okay. Oh, all right. Let's see if I get it. If it asks me a question. There we go. Coding challenge. What is HTTP? I honestly don't know the answer to this. Maybe I should. Hypertext, high tech. I don't know. High tech. Did I get it? No, I think I didn't. I think I got it wrong. Well, that was kind of cool. It needs some work, but I mean, for one prompt to be able to do that, where it has questions and everything, that's pretty fun. It makes it a lot more fun than just answering questions over and over again. So what does the menu look like? It just takes me back here. Okay. Interesting. Very cool. So I built the game with one prompt. Let's see if I wanted to publish it. What does that do? So I can publish it. You can publish it. Looks like you can publish it right to the App Store, which I like that a lot. New submission. Okay. I have an Apple account, so maybe I just sign in. That makes it so easy. So I can just log in with my developer account. Very, very cool. If I wanted to publish it, it would just go right to a website. So let's see what happens if I publish it. Okay, looks like it's starting something. I love that you can just publish it. It's like super designed to help you launch apps quickly. Let's also test another thing. Looks like it's publishing. I don't know how long that takes, but I want to test another thing here. See, there's a QR code, and I want to take a look and see. It looks like you need Expo Go, so I already have that. If you don't have Expo Go, you have to download it on your phone. It's just an app that allows you to test your mobile apps right away. So it's loading up on my phone. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. But actually, I'm going to use my mirror, my iPhone mirror, so you guys can see what I see on my phone. So let's pull that up. There it is, right on my phone. And I can play it. I can play it on my phone right now. Just like I was on the computer. That's so cool. All right, let's bring it back into my phone. That's awesome. I'm excited to play around with this. I'm actually impressed with RORK, R-O-K, R-O-R-K. I'm impressed with it so far. I need to do some more prompts and kind of see. I like that you can use GPT-5 already. I like how it's really app first to get right on to the app stores. I had published it. I wonder if that is done. If I hit open, it looks like it's published. So it takes you here. So you can just try it on your phone. Or you can just copy and paste the link onto your phone, it looks like. And then it goes right into, yeah, Android or Apple. So super simple, very user-friendly. The pricing seems decent. You can edit your account here. I'm a 0 out of 5. I guess you get 5 prompts a day on the free account. Okay. So I'm going to mess with this some more. I'm liking it. It seems pretty cool, pretty simple. Who knows? Maybe I like it more than Bolt. We'll see. Bolt is pretty awesome. There's a couple other features like pulling in a repository from the beginning. That's pretty cool. Bolt can do that. This one can't. But I do like that you can do integrations here. I got to see exactly. It says enable. So I wonder if I just enable what that's going to let me to do. Is it like internal database or what? Okay, looks like it's maybe building some type of internal database. So I have to experiment with that a little bit more. That's pretty cool. But so far, so good. That is my RORK review for you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. I have a community called Ideas to Life, and I want to help people create stuff with no code. So ITL, no code creators. The link is in the description below. I just launched this group. I'm doing live calls every week, live events. Tonight we're doing a vibe code sesh. We're just gonna all hang out and vibe, and then I do one-on-one vibe coding 101 as well. So come join the group. It's free. Come hang out, book a call with me. Let's chat. Let's vibe. Let's create really cool shit. Let's have some fun. Let's try different platforms. If you like this content, please like, subscribe. I'm new. I'm trying to get myself out there, educate people on some really cool ways to build stuff without code. So I build stuff for non-techie people because I don't know how to code, but these tools like this make it possible, and it's really exciting. So cheers, guys.